Hi everybody, this is Ken and welcome back again to another video. And today we are here and one of our model units for Legacia Residences are ready for occupancy condominium here in Maple Grove, General Trias, Cavite. Take note, this is our very first smart high-end condominium here in Mega World Township dito sa Cavite. So this is smart home, meaning all your smart appliances and even your lights can be controlled through the use of your smartphone. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you kung ano yung mga possible ninyong makontrol within this specific unit. And the best part kasi about a studio, this one is perfect for most of my clients are looking for an investment, especially for first-time investors who wanted to do an Airbnb. Bakit? Kasi ang mga studio unit, these are the units that are marketable for clients kasi mas mura siya when it comes to renting out, unlike one bedroom and then two bedroom units. Okay, so let's start with the entrance muna. So as you can see dito guys, this is glass pero during turnover, solid wood na po tayo for this one. Okay, so let's check first the kitchen area, which is my favorite part about the units that we offer. So this is the kitchen area. So part of deliverables will be here, a countertop made of solid granite. We also have here the kitchen sink, faucet, and kasama na din itong mga cabinets natin upon turnover. So ito mga kasama na siya. But for the range hood and then the 2-burner cooktops, so hindi siya kasama, it's just a provision guys na paglalagyan ninyo ng mga appliances like this. Pero itong cabinets natin for under counter, kasama na din siya. And for this one, this is just a provision for your fridge. So it comes to height naman, this is also 6 feet din yung laki niya. Okay? And here, konting move lang, this will be your dining area. So dito, kasha yung 2 to 3 table sitter ninyo. So kakasha here. And then, sabi ko sa inyo, this one is smart home. So pakita ko na agad when it comes to the deliverable. So all of our switches are smart switches. So soft touch na itong mga to. Ayan, so pwede mo na siyang buksan. And through the use of your smartphone, makakontrol mo na itong mga light switches na yan. And then there, this will be your kitchen and then the dining area. So basically, kapag studio unit, isang pahaba lang yung unit mo. So with this, ang kagandahan dito, the interior designer really maximized the space. So they provide here a partition to divide the sleeping den and then yung pinakang kitchen area mo. So from here, pwede ka din maglagay dito ng additional partition para mag-divide kung ba privacy on your private space. Okay? So here guys, nakikita ninyo dito, this will be the sleeping den area. Ayan. Very nice, aesthetic yung unit na to. So with this one, dito man tayo mag-start. So these are just an upgrade. Ito mga shelves na yan and then yung paglalagay ng mga furnitures. So in-upgrade na siya guys. So pwede nyo siyang gawin once ma-turn over sa inyo yung pinakang unit. And then for this television, minount lang siya dito sa pinakang wall. So pwede din siyang gawin. And also itong mga cabinets na to for additional storage is also an upgrade. And perfect tong part na to guys kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng maximize talaga yung space na to. So they put here a working station lalo na kapag mga work from home setup yung mga clients ninyo or kayo na nag-work virtually. So ito yung pinakang sleeping den. So ganyan kalaki yung bed. And then for this one, upgrade lang ulit ito. Ayan. So at least you have an idea kung paano siya i-design. And for that one, for window type aircon, also provision lang tayo guys. So for this one naman, kasama na to during turnover, we have here a 2-door modular closet. And this is going to be your common toilet and bath. Just like with the common toilet and bath that I showed you before with the videos I posted here on YouTube. So pare-parasan din sila. So we already have here 8 tiles sa pinakang mga walls natin. And also kasama na itong vanity mirror, this kitchen, the sink and faucet or the lavatory, and also this water closet or our toilet bowl. And also with this one, kasama din mga half-glass partition and also the shower head. And then also the towel rod and then the tissue holder. And dito guys, sa part na to, dito nakabaloob yung pinakang provision for our washer and dryer. So, yun mismo yung pinakang unit na to. Ayan. So basically, makailangan mo na dito additional furnitures and also appliances na and good to go na tong unit na to. And then with this one kasi, this is a studio unit with balcony with a size of 31.5 square meter. So ito yung balcony area niya. So this one is garden, yung lanay niya. So meron tayo ditong space for mga flowers or plants, lalo na pag mga plantito or plantita. So this unit is perfect for you, pero kung hindi naman, we have an options lang na balcony lang siya itself. So mas cheaper yung price na, unlike the one with Lanai kasi mas malaki yung balcony area. In terms of ito nakikita niyo yung pinakang window natin, almost floor to ceiling din siya. So same din ito upon turnover because I've already seen the deliverables upon turnover kapag napuntahan na mismo yung site na yun. So if you want to know more about the available units we have here at Lacacia Residences, we have studio, 1 bedroom and 2 bedrooms. So these are the available units we have. So please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a site visit for you to check the units personally. So I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Mega World Corporation. See you again on my next video. Bye.